Next one is we need to write a Python class which is rectangle. Rectangle is the name of the class. Okay. So the attributes that are required to initialize rectangle is length and width. Okay. And we need to implement a method called area. Okay. So where it will compute the area of the rectangle. So let's start solving this. So I'll use a rectangle class here, class rectangle. Okay. So where I will define this init method. Okay. So we require length and width, right? So L comma W I'm taking. Okay. So self dot length is equal to L. Okay. Similarly, self dot width is equal to W. Okay. So this is how I'm initializing the length of the rectangle and width of the rectangle. Okay. So let me define area of the rectangle. Okay. So I'll use rectangle underscore area as its corresponding method. Okay. So how do we compute area of the rectangle? It is just length into width. Okay. So you have to return here self dot length into self dot width. Okay. Now let's create an object for this rectangle class. Okay. I'll take R is equal to R is my object for the class called rectangle. Okay. And here we need to pass these values, right, which will initialize length and width of the rectangle. Let us suppose length of the rectangle is 12 and width of the rectangle is 10. Okay. So with which we are initializing the entire rectangle. Okay. And then we can call its corresponding rectangle area. Okay. So that is R dot rectangle area. Okay. So you can observe here length into width, that is 12 into 10, value is 120. Okay. So 120 will be stored and that is displayed, isn't it? So it's basically rectangle area we are calling. Okay. So already self dot length is initialized to 12 here and self dot width will be initialized to 10. Okay. So this method is called, and you can see 12 into 10, the value will be 120. So that is what getting displayed here. Okay.